Welcome to Stride University. Today we are going to explore just a little bit in a short introduction video to the repairs module. This module allows you to track repairs on products that you sell or products that your customers bring in that you're doing repairs on, and you can track them down to the serial number level so that you can get a view of what items you are repairing. Allows you to add products and expense items that you add into the repair and track the services that you perform. So we'll just dive on in real quick and just show you around. This will be a very brief introduction, but the repairs module is this wrench and screwdriver here. It's the little orange one, and you can see when you come in, I'm going to pull off my filter that I've created. But it gives you just a quick overview of all of the repair orders that are currently in your system. You can see the status of each repair order, and there are more statuses than just these, but as you create repair orders and finish them or start them, you'll be able to see the status of every repair order. You can also see the schedule date, so when those are due and when they've been done, and you can see the customer and the product that's being repaired. So it's just a quick way to see the status of everything. As always, all of these views are configurable. You can filter and group by different things. So if you don't care if you don't care to see items that are already completed and invoiced, then you can filter those out and only see the products that or the projects that you're working on, the repair orders that are open and ready to go. So quick introduction there. If we hop into one of these, you can see some of the data that we collect when we do a repair order. You've got description, the product, the quantity. If it's an item that is serialized or a lot number, that will show up as well. You can track the customer, their address, the date that you promised to the customer that it'll be done, and what method of invoicing, if it's after repair or before the repair, and if there's an associated sales order with this product. And then once you've finished it, it creates an invoice, and like in other modules, the invoice is attached up in the right-hand corner, and you can see the amount. We also have places to keep track of the operations. So we have the parts that we're adding or removing from the item, the operations that are being done. So this is like your repair services or other things that you're doing to this machine. We also have a place to keep track of our repair notes and any of the quotation notes that might have been taken in on when the customer brought the item in that the repair person needs to know. So quick overview. As always, you have your chatter. You can send messages to your customers as this repair order is taking place, and keep track of everything there. So just a quick introduction. As always, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we hope that you find this module useful and watch the other videos on how to create repair orders and go through the invoicing process. Thanks.